Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to review the product by ColorWow. It's the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. It's supposed to give you a sleek blowout. I do have hand-tied hair extensions and they're a little more coarse and frizzy than my natural hair. So that's why I saw this on social media and I thought it would be a perfect product for me if it works well to give me a nice sleek blowout when I style my hair extensions. I have used this once before. I have mixed thoughts about it, so I figured I'd give it another shot and I'd do it with you guys and give you my thoughts, show you how I use it, and see the results. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'll be back. But in the meantime, if you guys are new here, please hit subscribe down below to see more videos by me and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'll be back in a few. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair. I am going to pull this product up on Ulta. That is where I found it. I actually found this in stores. This is the smaller size. It's the only size they had. They didn't have the bigger size. I think you had to get that one online, but I just want to read about it. This is the 1.7 ounces. It's $12. I actually don't see the large size even on their website. You might have to get the large size if you like this somewhere else. 4 out of 5 stars, 341 reviews on the website. It says it covers each strand with an invisible waterproofing cloak. An absolute must for anyone looking to fight frizz hair or achieve signature glass hairstyles. On the bottle, it says use every 3 to 4 shampoos. I haven't used this for a couple washes, so it definitely has been 3 to 4. So shampoo, condition, towel dry hair, divide into sections. Spray each section liberally, comb through, blow dry each section using tension. Dryer heat required to activate product. Has a humidity guard, will not build up, weigh hair down, or make it greasy. How to use. Shampoo, condition, towel dry hair, and divide into sections. Spray liberally and evenly on damp, not wet hair. Do not apply other styling products to damp hair. So I haven't put anything else in my hair. It's still kind of soaking up some moisture in my turby towel. Blow dry each section using a brush to hold hair taut. Requires blow drying to activate. Alright, so I am just gonna section my hair, spray liberally on each section, and blow dry. I am gonna use my Laneige hair brush dryer. I love this thing. It definitely cuts out some steps in my routine, so I'm just gonna use this. Let me show you the hair. This hair extension hair is a lot more coarse and like frizzy. Okay, so I'm just gonna divide it, put it up, spray this stuff on each section and round blow dry it. I'm gonna zoom through this and let you guys watch and then come back and tell you my thoughts and all that jazz. Holy moly. Wow. Alright guys, so I just finished. So this is why I mix reviews. When I blow dry my hair with my leave-in products, it doesn't get poofy and crazy like this. This feels soft, but like you could still see a lot of the frizz. Like I would still have to use, I feel like a flat iron. So what happened was I did this, and then 2-3 hours later as I went on with my day, I don't know what happened. I don't know if the cuticle calmed down and sealed itself. It did get silkier and smoother after, like, I would say 2 hours after doing this. So this is what it looks like right after. So again, close up. It doesn't look like super smooth. It definitely looks frizzy and like puffy, right? Although on my natural hair, like this is my natural hair, I feel like it did what it said. Sleek, shiny, smooth. So on natural, I feel like if you have natural hair like me, my natural hair is fine, but I have like a medium amount and it's not very frizzy, not very coarse, has a slight natural wave. If I just had my natural hair, I think I would love that product. My hair extensions, on the other hand, we'll see. Let me show you the back. I'm gonna come back in like 2 hours and show you if it dies down. Maybe it'll die down again. So far, feels nice. Definitely feels nice. On my actual hair, it feels amazing. Also, another thing, this is such a little bottle. I feel like it's almost gone, and this is only the second time I used it, just because I have a lot of hair with my hair extensions. So I feel like I'd get like three uses out of this. But if you have shorter, less hair, you could probably get a few uses out of the small size bottle. Okay, so I'll be back in a bit, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. It is now it's been about like an hour and a half. I didn't do anything. I just ate some breakfast, did my makeup. As you can see, the frizz is dying down. It does feel silky smooth. It is still a little puffy, but I think in another few hours it will actually die down. Again, on my natural hair, it looks absolutely beautiful. Like this is my natural hair. You can see the shine, the smoothness. It feels silky smooth. Like it feels amazing. Hair extension hair, it doesn't wow me. Literally doesn't wow me, but I go back and forth about it. But I'm gonna let a few hours go on and I'm gonna check back in just because I have to head out the door. But if you guys have used this product before, if you have any like tips to get it to really work, let me know. Let me know if you like it, you hate it. Is there any product out there you think does better? Let me know down below. I will check back in and give my final thoughts. Hey guys, I'm back. I just went to my hair appointment. She just moved up my hair extensions. So my hair was still kind of damp when I got there, so she did blow dry a little bit more. That's all she did, just to get the dampness out. So it does actually look a little smoother, and it's been a few hours, so it has gotten smoother over time since the cuticle is really sealed. Honestly, I feel like if I was a professional or I was trained how to round brush and blow dry, I think this would be an amazing product because she just like touched up and round brush and blow dry a little bit more, and I really think that helps seal the cuticle and smooth everything out. Feels smooth, silky. This hair extensions can get like knotted and bunched up. I don't think it's causing any knots or bunches because it is so silky smooth, so I think that is a bonus. It's really nice. I actually do like it. At first, I was really confused because you saw when I was done blow drying, it was puffy. But I think if I was better at blow drying and I had maybe a better tool, you know, a specific round brush and that like precision nozzle on a hairdryer, I think you could really get a nice sleek blowout. I'm just not trained. Or if you have like natural hair that's pretty smooth with some wave that you just want like a nice sleek blowout, I think this would be a great product. If you have like more coarse frizzy hair, I think it would be really awesome because you can really go section by section with this product, and I think it honestly will work to smooth hair out. See if I can show you the back. all in all, I think it's a really good product. Does it blow me away? No, because I feel like you need a couple hours for everything to settle down before you see the smoothness, at least with my hair extensions. And it does leave them feeling really silky and really soft. So I think that's awesome. Would I keep repurchasing it? I mean, this small little bottle is only $12 and I think I would get probably 3 uses out of it. So that's like $4. I'm doing the math. $4, so it's not super expensive, so maybe I would pick up a little bottle here and there. So all in all, I think it's a good product. I think for the price, you should definitely try it if you're looking for a nice blowout to help smooth everything out, kind of tame the frizz. Definitely check it out. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this, what your experience has been with it, if you have any tips and tricks. I would love to know. I have no training. I kind of just do this on my own. Let me know what you guys think. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit subscribe down below if you want to see more beauty videos by me. And I'll see you next time. Bye.